would you trust me if I told you that simply seeing advertisements, taking surveys, and playing games on the internet can earn you money? So, today I'm going to show you how to make $20 to $50 in PayPal money by doing just that. For complete beginners, this will be a fun and interesting way to try, and you can do it whenever and wherever you choose. I've made sure that this approach is absolutely free and works anywhere in the world for your convenience. Keep watching until the end to learn about the finest website to utilize, as well as the processes and techniques to using this strategy, so you can start earning PayPal money right away. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $50 worth of gift cards in Walmart, Target, and Amazon to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 5,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch until the end to know the exact approach. Now, just before we dive into another tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. Now, let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. Go to wad.ojo.com for the first step in today's lesson. And the entire technique for today is based on this specific website. So you don't miss anything crucial, I need you to pay close attention to what I'm about to say until the finish. Anyway, this is the next thing you're supposed to see. The first thing you'll notice is that it says, earn money by seeing advertisements. So that's exactly what we're going to do today, along with some other options. However, before you can begin earning money from this site, you must first create a free account. To do so, click the green sign up button on your screen. After clicking that, you'll be brought to this page where you'll fill in your username, password, and account email address. After that, tick this box that reads, I'm not a robot. And then click this button to accept the platform's terms and privacy. Finally, to complete the process, click the register button. You can now log into this website after you've created an account. This is what you should see when you've done so. Before you earn money, make sure you have all of your payment information and other facts in order. To do so, first go to Settings and then Personal Settings. After that, I need you to fill in and complete all of your personal information so that your cash out method is ready. And once you've completed that, you're almost ready to start earning and withdrawing money from this platform. Now, after that's all set, the first thing I need you to do is go to top of the page and click on Paid to Click Ads. You can then select any of the videos listed below by clicking on them. After you've clicked on a video, you must watch it because these videos will serve as advertisements for you to earn money. On this main page, you can now keep track of the adverts you've viewed and how much money you've made. Now, to give you a quick tip, you can watch all of the video commercials by clicking off them all at once. As a result, you will be able to earn the most amount of money with the least amount of time and effort. I need you to take a step ahead in order to optimize your revenues. Return to the main homepage and click Offers. Following that, select Ojo Greed from the drop-down menu. After that, you'll be directed to this page, where you'll be paid even more. All you have to do now is click on any box on the grid. After clicking on it, a series of random advertisements will appear, and all you have to do to earn is watch them all the way through, and that's literally it. Now, just before we go any further, if you enjoyed the video so far, I'll give you time to go on and subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want you to comment down below and type in the initial code, Watch Ads, as a pre-registration for our $50 gift card giveaways. Remember to watch until the end for you to know the simple instructions and how to fully register and win that exciting gift card giveaways. Let's take a step back and take a closer look at this website. I want you to hover your cursor over Offers on their homepage, and you'll notice a variety of ways to make money. For now, try clicking on Want Ads, which will bring you a long list of surveys. You can earn this many points by taking these surveys, which can then be converted into cash. The longer you scroll down, the more surveys you'll be able to complete. Of course, you can take as many surveys as you want to increase your earning potential. These surveys are brief and simple to complete for your convenience. You may complete a survey in under a minute and earn points in the process. Returning to their homepage, select the Offer Toru option from the drop-down menu. As a result, you will be able to earn money just by playing games. As you can see, there is a long variety of games to choose from. Along with their key point values, this offer will earn you far more points than the previous two methods, and it will provide you with yet another fascinating option to make money while playing games. Simply select the game that interests you and begin earning right away. It's a simple technique that's also enjoyable. I mean, isn't it amazing to be able to play games while still making money? If you want to learn more, you can try out the other offers for yourself. But I'm confident that all 4 of the strategies outlined will help you earn a reasonable amount of money. Consider doing all 4 methods at the same time, simply watching advertising, video ads, doing surveys, and playing games. You can make up to $20 to $50 every day. Remember to follow through with what I said in the video step by step, so you can get that money into your PayPal account right immediately. Keep in mind that in order to earn that much money, you'll have to be constant in your efforts. Persistence is the key to making money online. So if you want to generate money, make sure you have the tenacity and perseverance, especially if you are completely a beginner. We've come to the end of this video, and I want you to know that if you're still a newcomer, this method is one of the simplest and most effective ways to generate money online. So, I strongly advise you to visit this website and follow all of my instructions so you can start earning money right away. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now let's proceed with the final instructions on how to be lucky and win the 10 free $50 gift card giveaways. You just need to make sure you're subscribed and are actively leaving a like. You also need to comment down below the unique code that I've given in the middle of every video so I can give rewards to those who I monitored that are always active in each tutorial. The more videos you comment on, the better chance you have at winning as we reach the 5,000 subs celebration. And that's it! Once again, this is Online Money Plug, teaching you the best and easiest methods in making money online. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.